Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Did you know the air inside our homes can be way dirtier than outside? Like 5 times dirtier. New houses save energy, but they can trap bad chemicals inside. NASA found some houseplants can actually suck up these bad chemicals and make our homes healthier. Ready to make your home smell fresh and clean? Let's go! First up, Aloe Vera. This incredible plant has been used for centuries for its healing properties. From ancient Egypt to modern households, aloe vera has always been a favorite. Besides helping with burns, it also cleans the air by taking out bad stuff like formaldehyde. This makes it an excellent addition to any home, especially in areas with lots of synthetic materials. It likes lots of light but not too direct, and it doesn't like too much water. Overwatering can actually harm the plant, so it's best to let the soil dry out between waterings. A sunny windowsill in your kitchen or bathroom is perfect. These spots provide the right amount of light and warmth that aloe vera thrives on. Imagine, you're cooking, and your aloe vera is cleaning the air at the same time. It's like having a little green helper that not only beautifies your space, but also makes it healthier. It's like a super plant, with its ability to purify the air, heal burns, and add a touch of nature to your home. Aloe vera truly is a multitasking marvel. Next, let's talk about the snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue. This plant is not only visually striking with its tall, sword-like leaves, but it's also incredibly resilient and versatile. This plant is super easy to take care of and can grow almost anywhere. Whether you place it in a low-light corner or a bright windowsill, it will thrive with minimal attention. It's great for people who forget to water their plants. The snake plant can go weeks without water, making it perfect for busy lifestyles or those new to plant care. One of its most impressive features is its ability to clean the air. It removes toxins like carbon monoxide, benzene, formaldehyde, and xylene, which are commonly found in household products and appliances. And it even gives off oxygen at night, unlike most plants that release oxygen during the day. This makes it an excellent choice for bedrooms. Put it in your bedroom, and it's like having a natural air cleaner while you sleep. Not only will it help you breathe easier, but it also adds a touch of greenery to your space, enhancing the overall ambiance. Now, the peace lily. With its pretty white flowers, it makes your home look fancy and cleans the air too. Perfect for homes in India, it removes bad stuff like benzene and mold. It likes shady spots and regular watering. The bathroom is perfect because it loves the moisture and cleans the air there. Want a tropical feel? The Areca palm makes the air moist, which is great for dry winters. It loves water and bright, but not direct, light. Put it near a window where the sun isn't too strong. It's great for the living room. It looks nice and keeps the air fresh for family game nights. The money plant is said to bring good luck and wealth. It's super easy to grow and cleanse the air of bad stuff like formaldehyde and benzene. It can grow in water or soil and likes bright, indirect light. Hang it near a window, let it grow down a shelf, or put it on your desk. The spider plant is a super air cleaner, especially good for cities. It absorbs bad gases like carbon monoxide and xylene, which is found in paints and varnishes. It likes bright, indirect light and needs water every week. Hang it in your kitchen or put it on a shelf to fight city pollution. The rubber plant looks really cool and is a natural air filter. It removes bad things like carbon monoxide and formaldehyde. It likes bright, indirect light and a little bit of water. It's perfect for living rooms or offices. It looks great and keeps the air fresh. Tulsi, or holy basil, is important in Indian homes because it's used for medicine and in prayer. It gives off oxygen and absorbs carbon dioxide, making the air fresh and clean. Its nice smell is calming too. Tulsi loves direct sunlight, so put it in a sunny spot. Water it regularly, and it will give you clean air and good vibes. So there you have it. 8 awesome air cleaning plants. These plants not only add a touch of nature to your living space, but also work tirelessly to purify the air you breathe. Imagine coming home to a sanctuary where the air is fresh and clean, thanks to these green wonders. They make your home pretty and healthier by cleaning the air naturally. From the elegant peace lily to the resilient snake plant, each one has its unique way of filtering out toxins and improving air quality. Plus, they're relatively easy to care for, making them perfect for any home. Which of these plants do you already have? Maybe you have a spider plant hanging in your kitchen or a Boston fern in your living room. Each plant brings its own charm and benefits to your home environment. Tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear about your favorite indoor plants and how they've transformed your living space. Sharing your experiences can inspire others to green up their homes too. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it. Your support helps us create more content that brings value to your life. Plus, sharing this video can help your friends and family discover the benefits of indoor plants. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making your home greener and healthier. We have a lot of exciting content planned, from plant care guides to home improvement hacks that you won't want to miss. See you next time, and happy planting! Keep nurturing your green friends, and they'll keep making your home a better place to live.